Hello everybody, today we're outside.
It's beautiful today.
Yes.
Hello everyone.
Okay, so that right there, I just shoveled the birds' mess up. I'm gonna clean up after those birds. We have to see.
They keep trying to make a nest.
Yes, remember that birds building nest on porch video? They keep just trying to. So, where should I put this mic?
The bed of my truck.
If you can get it. Do you need help since you don't have shoes on?
Oh yeah, I don't have shoes on. Forgot to mention that. What? Oh gosh, I dropped it. I just my gosh. The shovel this toy shovel isn't very good. Okay. There's so much stuff out here. Okay, so you know, I think I'm just gonna throw it in Amy's beautiful garden. Okay. There it is. Okay. Bye everybody.